Well, we got another package? Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we actually have a box from Hessen Antique. Feel free to check them out. They always have a large variety of items on their website, Hessen Antique. And let's go ahead and open this up. Let's get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's turn it over just to make it easier. Always cut away from yourself in case there's resistance and it suddenly moves on you. Use the back of the knife on the final edge. Alright, let's see if there's a manifest in here. Very nice. We have a bag containing the items, and there's our manifest. It would have been at the top. Alright. So, again, Hessen Antique. They're out of Georgia in the United States. And looks like we just got 3 items this week. We are looking at off right here. Let me get this out of the way. Gives a little bit more room to work with. Upside down. Turn it around. This is a Dutch, as you can see from the flag. A little bit subdued. This is used, I believe. It's a little bit fading in color, I can see already. Dutch DPM Parka with liner used. And this should be a large. Okay. A couple of snaps. And we have a big plasticized zipper, and there's our liner. So, collar has extra buttons, possibly to attach a hood, which is not included. We have snaps there with corresponding single snap on here to cinch up the neck, like so. Hanger loop on the outside back. Shoulders have a binding loop and then the Velcro attachment sewn on at the ends. Same on this side. We do have the label with some over marking on top. Then made the Netherlands. Right off, I can see there's a drawstring right there. Can't really see anything right there, so let's see what this is all about. Oh. Okay. Here's the hood. Nice. Thank you. So I stand corrected. We have a hood included. Ding, 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 ding. Nice. How am I going to attach it? I have no idea. Because, oh, no, here's, no. Okay, we have a hood, but how does it attach? Oh, can we figure it out in a few seconds or less? How's the liner? Oh, the liner's not fully buttoned on. Oh, so that's what these buttons are for. Okay. So let's finish buttoning that on. And let's take a quick look at the shoulders and sleeves. This shoulder, which would be the right, has a Velcro for a patch. Reinforced elbow round area. Circle. Snaps to do the cuffs. 1, 2 snaps there. And we have some sort of drawstring on the liner. sleeve, and looks like a mitten attachment point. Again, we have the flag on this side with a shoulder pocket, single snap, reinforced elbow, snap with 2 cinch points, and again the liner has the, oh no, these are button attachment points. Okay, so this liner has been fully secured in, but they did attach it with the order, and again we have a mitten point. Asymmetrical sized flap on the chest pocket, as well as kind of diagonal snap points on the chest pocket. This side we have a Velcro point for name, likewise with the diagonal flap, and we have waist flaps. The liner is sort of rubberized on the edges. No, is that the liner? Is this a double layer liner? Yes, it is. Look at that. This thing has 2 layers, 2 liners. Interesting. And the buttons on in multiple areas. Looks like it might have had different buttons attached to it for repairs here, which is fine, as long as it's got all the buttons. Drawstring here, drawstring here, and does have the cord locks. Let's turn it over, look at the back real quick. Cross stitching across the shoulders, no hip pockets at the back. Any observations I can make real quick? Anyway, is that, oh, look at that. Okay, so let's take a look at this. There's another label in here. Bigger label on the jacket outer itself. Looks like somebody's name, perhaps. And can't really decide. No, that's part of this itself. Okay. No, it's buttoned all the way through. Okay. There's a lot of buttons going on here. Interesting. Now let's see if we can figure out how to attach the hood, if there is a way. If we just wear it. I think you might just wear it. Cool. So we'll stash that back into here. Alright, next item. Just picked up an extra British Desert DPM Camo Field Shirt used. No flags on shoulders. 2 buttons on the cuff. 1 button on the shoulder areas each. Shoulder, well, sleeve pocket on this side, not on this side. We have no lower pockets, but we have single button chest pockets at a diagonal angle, button down and zipper, and no labels. So origin is, true origin label is unknown. But the price is right, so I'm not complaining. And the last item is mechanical origin. Got a couple of HK23 Starter Tab German Special Forces. So you can see how your cartridges would, first link will go into here, interlock with the next link there, and help you pull through the past the feed pawl. So I might demonstrate that in a separate video. 2 of those. Pretty cool. So again, HK23 Starter Tabs, German Special Forces, allegedly. British Desert DPM camouflage shirt used with no markings on it. And a Dutch DPM Parka with liner and a hood. So this has been another unboxing video of items from, this time from Hessen Antique. Again, feel free to check out their website. Lots of items on there. As well as feel free to check out our other unboxing videos. We also do show and tell videos and curios for the curious on specific artsy type objects. We also do a select number of book reviews and other types of videos on the channel. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.